Hey guys, today let's learn how to transfer WhatsApp chat from our old phone to the new phone. So if you guys want to go ahead and basically transfer the, WhatsApp chats from your old device over onto the new device, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how to basically do this, so please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, what we need to do first is to launch the WhatsApp application, and then from here, let's go ahead and tap on our settings option. Next, let's tap on chat. And I want you to go ahead and tap on chat backup. Make sure over here that you do have chat backup turned on, and when that is done, of course, when you go ahead and basically log into a new device using your same SIM card on your own WhatsApp account, of course, all of those chats will be automatically backed up to that new device if you have a backup turned on. So make sure guys that you have backup turned on so that you could easily switch from your old device to the new device, and as well as transfer the WhatsApp chats from your old to the new device. And we could also tap on export chat over here to choose a specific chat to go ahead and export so that we could move it to another location if we prefer to do so as well. So as you see, you could always go ahead and tap on copy this specific chat in a zip archive so that we could actually go ahead and save this and basically move this from one application to the other using this method. That's all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.